Okay, now what I've done is I've got my sub RCAs run into the line driver, and this set of RCAs is my output from the line driver that's going to be run to the sub amp. Next thing I'm going to do, show you the gain on this. I have turned all the way down. It's kind of hard to see, and I'm already boosting it by 3 volts. First video I showed you I had 2 volts coming from my head unit. Now we're going to check and see where we're at before this line with this line driver. Touching the probe to the RCA. You can see we're already at 5.3 volts. Now most amplifiers have about a 0.2 to 6 volt input sensitivity. The purpose of this video, I know I'm not using a DC 1.2K. I did not feel like pulling it out of my vehicle at 10 o'clock at night. But that is the amplifier in question. Why I'm making this video. I'm using this is actually my first sub amplifier I ever had. It's a Rockford P3 300.1. And what we're going to see is when I put this input signal into that amp, what happens to the signal? What happens? How high the gain actually has to be turned up with with the input voltage, and what happens when I adjust the input voltage on the line driver with the gain adjustment here.